Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do affiliate marketing using free traffic from Pinterest in order to gain you a lot of commission, and the best part is that this method is completely free and only takes you 5 minutes per day to complete. If we head over to Pinterest right now, you'll notice that there's many pages like this with thousands of monthly views. Now if we click on this link, it opens up to this page. You'll notice that they're driving all the traffic to the link. If you notice about the creator, these are all different people. This isn't their own original content, yet they're still able to drive that amount of traffic to their affiliate link within their description. And this is what I'm gonna show you how to do it under 5 minutes a day. So first thing we need to do is pick a niche, and what I've chosen is fitness and health. Then after that, we need to find a product to promote. So for this scenario, we're going to get a product from the digitstore24app.com. So for this, I decided on a niche of fitness and health. So once I get to the Digistore, I came over here and checked the product page. You always need to see what your lead is going to land and make sure it's good and legit. So after that, we need to click on our promo link and copy the link and paste it to our notepad. You can copy multiple links if you want, but for this video, I'm only going to pick one as an example. So let's go to Pinterest and convert our account to a business account to get the necessary feature that only a business account has. So click upgrade, it's completely free. So once we have built our profile, let's go ahead to this website. Direct me and register. And once you've already set up your account, go to my page and click add new item. And it's going to open this, and we're going to add a link. So open our notepad and copy paste the products, and we need to add a title which is the name of the product. So after that, let's copy our direct me link and go back to Pinterest and go to edit profile and add website. And let's go back to our page and look at that. Now we have our affiliate link. So lastly, we need to add video content on our Pinterest. So let's go to TikTok and download videos for our content. And let's download it to this website, which is the snaptik.com.app. And let's go back to our Pinterest profile. Let's add pin, and don't forget to put the credits. So that's about it, guys. I hope this video helps you out, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.